Where you going?
I can wear this on top of that.
Come back.
Can I wear this?
Yeah. Habib, come back. I'm recording now. Get away from there. Give me that.
I was doing before all those jumps.
Oh, hush up. We don't have a perfect house. Come on, Rip. Come on, come here. This is good. I thought this would be easier than that. Come here. Grab this.
He doesn't like doing things that you want him to do.
Go ahead. Ah, forget it.
Because you want him to.
Yeah. Where you going?
He's running away from you. You're giving him work.
Come here.
Doesn't want to work.
Now you coming back, right? What are you coming back to do? What are you? Now the paper's on the floor. You want to play with it? Good knowing little brat.